Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can optimize an image for SEO on your website. So just like you can see, this is a tutorial website I use on this channel for my website management and web development tutorials. So it's hosted on Blogger, but then if you are on WordPress or other content management systems, I think you should follow the points I'm going to talk about in this video. You're going to get it. It's very much simple and easy. So let's get going with our tutorial. So the first option is add descriptive names to your files that you want to upload in your article. So let's say I want to upload an image in this article. This is the article, items you should never purchase online in 2025. So you can see, let's say I want to upload an image here. So I copy the article title and then I move to my file manager. So probably you have the image in your file manager, then you rename it something like this. So you rename it to it, Ctrl+V, and then you save it. And now you come on here and then you upload it. So on Blogger, you just tap on this side and then you upload your image from your PC. You can see upload from your PC. So if you're on WordPress too, I think it's the same procedure. You just tap on your image side and then you upload it from your PC. So after uploading it, we then get to the second option. So now let's tap on the settings here. On WordPress, you're going to see the same thing. So now we need to add an alt text. So if you are in website management and web development, the meaning of alt text is, let's say a web browser is opening your page and then they are not able to load the image. This text is going to represent your image, something like that. But then from my web development knowledge, I think you add it so that if a browser couldn't load the image, your alt text appears. So let's say this is a chair, so let's give it a sofa, something like that. And then your title, you give the image a title as well. So I think the title should be this, the title of the page, and then you add maybe large or something, and then you update it. And now let's proceed to save it. You get it. Done with three different things. The first one is you give the file a descriptive name. The second one is you add an alt text. The other one is you add a title to the image. And now let's move to the fourth and then the fifth. So what you need to do is compress the size of your image. So there are a lot of websites online that are going to help you compress the size of your image. So I think when you're uploading an image on your website or your blog post, I think it shouldn't be more than 300 kilobytes, something like that. So image compressor, there are lots of them online. You can see 20 KB, 200 KB. I think you should make it very much less. You can choose any of them. So here the image you want to upload, upload it here, and then you compress it, make the size very small. In this case, the page is going to be less heavy. So if your page is less heavy, the browsers are going to load your page very much fast. So let me show you guys something. I refresh, boom, and then that's it. So this page has nothing on it, very SEO friendly, it's never heavy. That's it. So we are done with the fourth option. Now let's move to the fifth option. So the fifth option is uploading the appropriate image format. So for browsers, I think Chrome is the most used browser right now. Even iPhones have Chromes on it. Android comes with Chrome. And then most of our laptops, we use Chrome. Yeah, even if you're having a Brave browser, you're using Opera Mini, you're going to use Google's browser to, browse the internet, something like that. So here, all you need to do is you need to upload image in the appropriate format. So the appropriate format that I think in Google's recent articles, they were saying the WebP is the appropriate format. So WebP, this, you can see people want to convert an image from WebP to this. So on Google Blogger, if you upload an image and it's in PNG or JPEG, automatically they are going to convert it to a WebP for you. Let me show you guys something. Let me try downloading the image here. You can see it's a WebP file. Automatically Blogger is going to convert it into a WebP. But then if you're on WordPress, you are not going to get that conversion something. You need to convert it into a WebP before you upload it on there. And there is a way that you can convert all your images you've uploaded on your WordPress website into a WebP. If you want to optimize your images on there, let's say you didn't know, so you were uploading PNG, JPEG images on there, and now your website is loading very slow and it's very much heavy. You can convert all of them into WebP by using a plugin. I'm going to make a tutorial on that later on, but then you can use a plugin to convert all of them like that. So the last option is converting your image into a WebP and then uploading it. So you can come online here and then you can move to image converter. You get it, image converter online, and these are the sites. You can use all of them. I mostly use Cloud Convert because they have a lot of file types, so you just need to convert it. Let's say you have an image, you'll be dealing with an image, so we select this. Let's say our image is it's a JPEG. I saw JPEG here, or let's say it's a PNG and we want to change it to a WebP. You can see here, so I just need to upload the image and I'm good to go. It's going to convert it into WebP and then I upload it on my website. So that's it on how you can optimize images for SEO on your website. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also I have a lot of videos on web development and website management, so if you love such content, you can subscribe to my channel and then you'll be getting updates on that. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel.